Where to download flashplayer for offline installation. I can't find flashplayer download link which will give me the full exe/mc file, not the tiny downloader which downloads data from the internet. What's the proper download site for this?
Edit 2017. The installers are now at this URL. Edit 2016. It seems that the link below does no longer give access to offline installers. Frown. Original answer. Download Adobe FlashPlayer 16, 13, 11.2 full offline standalone installers, mz/x, for Internet Explorer, other browsers. This URL. I've contacted Adobe because I was completely unable to install Flash with the 900 kilobits installer downloaders which always flood me with strange errors, and delete themselves from the run location. So you can't launch the installer downloader after failure, have to re-download it, and they sent me this link.
For a long time, I've been taking the offline installers from this page. Installation problems for Windows 7 and older, already mentioned in a comment by Franker. The links are always up to date, and it lets me get all plugin architectures, as of today ActiveX, PAPI and PAPI. The links are near the bottom, under the Still Having Problems heading. The above instructions are for Windows, but the same approach works for Mac OS X. Here's the Adobe help page with the offline installer links at the bottom. Installation problems, Mac. This Adobe help forum page is also helpful, how to perform a clean install of flashplayer in Mac OS X.
Adobe has decommissioned the distribution page, but here's another method that still works for now. On the standard installation page, this URL, the Install Now button links to the download page https://get.adobe.com/flashplayer/download/?installer=. You should append and standalone equals 1 to the end, then it'll let you download the normal standalone offline installer. PS Don't forget to disable optional offer before copying the link.
If you download the FlashPlayer cab file for Microsoft System Center/SCCM, extract the XML file from the IT, then you'll see the MC file listed in the XML file. There's a link for the ActiveX installer and also the Mozilla/Firefox/Netscape plugin. This URL